Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well, guys. Welcome back to Just Sophia. For those who are for those who are my returning subscribers, if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance videos, personal development videos, and anything in between that is interesting. If that is your kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe, guys, so that you can help me grow, one, and two, so that you don't miss any of my videos. So guys, I have mentioned on this channel severally that there are so many ways you can make money online. Yeah, you can make money online as a content writer. You can make money online as an academic writer. You can make money online as a blogger. You can make money online as a social media manager, social media marketer. You can make money as a web designer. You can make money as a transcriptionist, and so on and so forth. Like, there are so many ways in which you can make money online. Don't just stick to one. If you feel that content writing is not for you, you can go for transcription and or check out something else that interests you. So there is a video that I did on how to make money as on OnlyFans. OnlyFans. If you haven't watched that video, it will appear up here. Please go make sure that you watch it. So now, guys, I just want to show you something. So I was looking for work on Upwork. I was scrolling through my Upwork account. If you have noticed, if you are a freelancer right now, by the way, there are not so many jobs. It is a bit hard to find a job. I'm hoping that it's just because of the summer holidays, and soon things will go back to normal, because we need to work, we need to get money, we need to eat, we need to pay our expenses. Yeah. So I was scrolling through Upwork and I came across this job. I actually didn't even know that OnlyFans also advertises on Upwork. I keep telling you guys, Upwork has everything. It has everything. So I just want to show you that shortly. So guys, this is my Upwork account. I'm trying to look for some jobs. Right now it is so hard. You have to keep applying and applying. But now I came across this job. You see? OnlyFans chatting. So you would chat for our model on OnlyFans. Additionally, we will train you, and it is pretty easy going. $10 per hour plus 3% commission on your sales. 3,000 a month is easily possible if you are good and put much effort in it. Even more. So this proposal says that you can earn up to $3,000 a month or even more if you are good at this job. You see? And by the way, I have just searched OnlyFans and I have found that on Upwork currently there are 137 jobs available for OnlyFans. So you can come here and scroll through, and I can see not so many people are applying to them, by the way. So it means they don't have so much competition, except this one. Charter, virtual assistant needed for OnlyFans. Yeah, so this one already has 50 plus proposals. This one, there's no need for you to apply. This is already saturated. Even this one has 50. Oh my goodness. So many people are applying to these jobs actually. This one has 5 to 10. And by the way, on Upwork, you need to be fast when it comes to applying for these jobs, because you're not the only one. It is better for your application to be at the top So when you find that it already has 20 to 50 applicants, you just forget about it. Yeah, so now this one is a good match, less than 5 applicants. This one you can go for it. Even this one has less than 5. Less than 5. So basically you're supposed to be fast when it comes to applying to these jobs. You need to apply in under 10 minutes, because there are so many freelancers on Upwork where every time a client posts jobs, they are grabbed quickly. So guys, I hope you have seen that job about Onlyfans. And guys, you remember when I did that video, by the way, I told you that there are Kenyans who are making up to 300,000. That is Kenya shillings. That is $3,000 per month. If you thought I was kidding you, you have seen it yourself. And these are people that are contracting you on Upwork. So you can imagine if you had your OnlyFans account directly from OnlyFans. That means there is no middleman. That means you get all the money. So guys, this is what you need to do. If first go watch that video. After watching it, if it is something that you can do, head over to OnlyFans and create an account, and then start advertising your services. Who knows? Maybe this is the thing for you. And yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Nothing much. So I hope you can take action, whatever it is that you want to do online, whether it is OnlyFans, whether it is a transcription, whether it is writing, or whether it is social media. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and see you. Bye.